Hey guys, it's Frida Lady, and before the video actually starts, I just want to talk about the Minecraft Survival series, and I'm actually going to cancel that series because I want that to be a game that I play on my own. I'll probably post a few videos every now and then, but it's not going to be like a whole series thing. If you guys are really looking forward to that, I am really sorry to disappoint you guys now, and yeah. And also, I think I don't remember. Okay, well, some clips might have a few, have face cam in it, or it might not. So if I'm talking about like a face cam and it doesn't show it, then just don't worry about it because for some reason it won't show up on here, and if it does show up on here, then obviously it's fine. And also, my well, next week I probably won't be uploading because I want to take like a little break from a week, so yeah. And it took me a really long time to get this footage. I've been recording for 2 days now, and I just, for some reason, the, what's it called? The content that I've been getting isn't that good. So yeah, and also, I also need friends to record with, so if any of you guys want to be in my videos sometime, or be my recording friends every now and then, or all the time, feel free to talk to me about it. I will be taking anyone, and yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. This is a completion or complication or whatever you want to call it, a compilation of a whole bunch of different game modes, which is probably 2. I don't remember how much I don't know how much I'm gonna put in. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. It's been 2 minutes now. Anyways, talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye.
And I forgot what map this was. And I'm doing bad because I didn't decide to have myself wake up yet, so I'm kind of doing this while I'm still tired. Because that's a good choice, right? I'm gonna go get the flag. Since no one else is. Might as well be productive, right? No! Oh, I'm really not in the mood right now to do this. Literally, I've been recording I recorded all day yesterday. You think you're so good, but you anything now, I won't get anything. Again. So this video is going to be poop. Yay. Oh, and if I sound weird, I'm sorry. I'm either getting sick or I am sick, so yeah. I don't know. Dude, the noises that's coming from his freaking mic, it's so gross. Yeah, can't beat you, suck at life. That's how. Where'd he go? I didn't know where he was. You know? That's how it is. That's how it goes. My singing voice is horrible because I am sick. My voice is raspy and I sound like a 30-year-old man. No! Why do you leave? You left me. That's a prank. I fisted him.
Damn, son.
I was hoping it wouldn't get me. Any comments about that song? I don't know why, but I love the sound it makes when you first open this thing. It's so cool. One, just one. Come on, can I get 2, please? Like at the very last second, please.
Package on standby.
This is actually pretty good recording, to be honest. Had to reload, don't yell at me. Oh my god, you're such a freaking ag. Why did I put it right there? Oh my god. Ooh, 55. Oh yes!
Hostile hard defense spotted.
Ooh!
Oh, baby! Triple!
Baby, a triple. Holy crap, dude. I deserve to be first. Not him, me. Oh my god, I shouldn't have done that. I wanna dance, 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 I wanna dance. Dang it. I should do that one first. 0 matches, 50, 0. 50, 0. 50, 0. 50, 0. 50. 0. Is it really not gonna freaking... $12?
I'll burn everything you care about to the ground.
Ooh. That's retarded, but it's cool at the same time, so I'm gonna use that one though. Yeah. Score streaks. Aww. I can't use my little thing I have go on right here. HCXD counter UAV and Hailstorm. No, this one. No, this one. Okay. Ah, dang it. Oh, I forgot. I'm using the M8.
Locked down. Hardpoint lost.
Dang it. That can only be one thing.
Hardpoint locked down.
Oh my god.
Ready for deployment.
Okay. Ugh.
Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested.
No!
Hardpoint lost.
This is retarded.
Hardpoint identified.
Freaking hate hard points so much.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested.
Ready for test.
Hardpoint contested. Be advised, hostile HCXD spotted. Hardpoint contested.
Counter UAV on standby.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested.
Oh, dang it. Dude! I'm doing bad now. Because I can't freaking camp anywhere. Maybe because I'm not using the M8.
Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested.
I mean, I guess.
HCXD, invalidly HCXD deployed.
Dang it. I forgot. I don't have my freaking grenade because I banned it because they're retarded.
Hardpoint locked down.
And their butt hurt little
Hardpoint
monkeys.
identified. Hostiles have captured the hard point. Hard point locked down.
My singing voice is horrible because I am sick. My voice is raspy and I sound like a 30-year-old.
Baking pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Take some bacon